Hi guys. I can't believe I'm just doing the first video. Oof. So yeah. By the way, go follow me on Instagram. Wolfie2 plays Roblox. Link in the description. Follow my social medias. Follow my Facebook. Wait, I changed my Facebook. Just follow my Facebook. That is our edition. Follow my Twitter account because duh. Follow my Tumblr. I don't know how to pronounce that name, but just follow that. So yeah, follow my Instagram. My Instagram is Wolfie2 and just link in the description. So yeah, I just really want to download Yonder. I just try to show. I just really want to download Yonder like so bad. Okay, it's downloading. And what do we have here? Server. Do you hear something? Do you hear music? Can I? Come on. Like, bish, don't know what to say. Like, oh my God. Guts. Let's do that. I'm gonna just open my folder. Nah, I'm too lazy. What the? Yeah, I won't be able to like do that. But by the way, friend me on Roblox. This is my username. And by the way, there's a gotcha like if you guys wanna know, there's going to be a gotcha live two on gotcha live. Apparently, duh. So then let's what? Nah, whatever. What game should I play? Let's go to my favorites. Hold on. Okay, back. Sorry about the music that you're hearing. If you don't know, I'm talking about just let's go to my favorites. Profile. The profile. I said profile. I would kick you, but my mom told me not to keep trash. Okay. These are my two games that I made. Yeah, please don't judge me about my games. Let's play. No, follow somebody. Girl. Let's play Escape the Dungeon. Okay, let me just get myself comfortable because duh. Okay, there. Okay, we're joining the game or joining server. Oh, why is it laggy? Where's my clothes? Ah! Where are my keys? Don't look at me. I'm not going to show you my naked parts. I told you. Show me my naked parts. Oh my God, my cat is trying to like get out of here. Okay. Oh my God. Oh, whatever. Hold on. Okay, back! I just don't like it. Just don't get me embarrassed just because I don't have my t-shirt or shirt on. Hi, I'm Henry. Let's escape while the guard is sleeping. Easy. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. Okay, let's go up. Looks like this area is under construction. Be careful not to fall in the lava. Okay, no one cares. We all know that it's lava because we're not stupid. Do you know how to say stupid in Spanish? I think it's stupido. I almost died there. Okay. Yeah. Oh my god, I almost died there. Let's go. Up, 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 up. Oh my, wait, hold on a minute. Isn't this, I don't know what to say. Oh my god. It just like it's my first time, like doing a video. Shit, we need a key to open this door. Maybe one of these chests have one. Well, of course, it's this one. Duh. And out of the room. Oh my god, this person is on level 19, and that person is almost gonna like what? Well, no, level 19 on stage 19, not level. I'm just on stage 6. Now I died. Fudge. By the way, go check. I mean, like, this is my first ever time making a Roblox video. By the way, go check. Oh my god. By the way, go check out my other YouTube channel. It's called Wolfie C. And if you don't know, and the picture is the picture of it. Oh, it's a girl who's smiling that is ID'd, and the girl who is smiling. Everyone wondering what kind of picture is? Oh my god! Everyone wondering what kind of picture of it is? It's like a gotcha life picture that I've been saying. Okay, I don't want to die of this shit. So, oh my god, I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Please don't kill me. I have a wife and I have 2 daughters that they just died. Crap. Look, crap. Looks like we only go down. Which I don't want to go down because my lazy ass says no. No! Juno, Uni. Okay. With no lag. Come on. Okay, back. Let's go down there. And down we go. Yay, we did it. Oh my god. Watch out, I hear traps in the distance. I can't really read that. So yeah. Be careful not to do whatever I have to do. Oh my god, oh no, I died. I can't touch this. Fudge. Okay, whatever. Okay, let's go here. Okay, then here. Wait, hold on. Yeah, there. I'm still naked. Well, I'm half naked. Oh my god, come on, dude. By the way, go for all my social medias. Yeah. I have a lot of social medias, but I have some social medias that I haven't like signed up. I haven't signed up like Tumblr yet. I don't know how to pronounce that name, but whatever. But that app is so boring. It's just Tumblr. We're going there instead of this. Ooh, this. Hey, looks like we made it. Some strange temple use speed pad to run faster. Oh my god, I'm the. Oh, okay. I will be the only first one. Yay! Go, go, go! Yeah! Oh no, no, no! God, fucking damn it! Oh my god, I'm so mad. I'll be the first one who will be the 20th. I'm like 20 years old. Yeah, just kidding. I'm not 20 years old. I'm actually 8. Yeah. I think today is June 3. Yeah, it's probably June 3. Yay, I'll be on stage 11 now level. I don't know how to say it. Did you say stage or level? I don't know. Yeah. Be careful not to fall in this crackle doodles. Get it? Get it? Okay, whatever. I'm stupid. We will need to lower the bridge down. Find a lever. Well, easy. I have played this game like 4 times. I don't know. Or 5 times. I feel like 6. Actually, I feel like 3 times. Or I mean 5. Yeah, total 5. Or 4. I don't know. Okay. Who is that? A dragon? Oh, hell no. Okay, that's so stupid. Oh, hell no. Oh, oh. Yeah. Oh my god. Genius. I'm a genius. I'm a genius. Probably. Wait, hold on. Go. Go. Alright. Go down. Now, I want to see what's in here. Or else. I think I'm just gonna die. Yeah. Here we go up, up, up and away. Crack-a-doodles. Do you know what my cat did? My cat just doo-dooed on my mom's on my mom's bed because IDK. If you don't know what IDK means, IDK means I don't know. I'm almost at level or stage of 20. Well, I'm kinda away from it. What the? No, I don't have time for you. You, I mean, no, fudge. I just don't like falling in here. It's like, ew. I like to fall in. Don't. I told you. Why is it like this? And who even made this? I don't appreciate how they just did it. And Paulo, I'm gonna die in the lava. God damn it! Oh my god, I just need your head. You know? Okay. Yeah. But I just jumped off. Seriously? I just want to say the N word. They can. Come, Kamate! Okay, I don't know what Kamate means. Come on, puppy.